Hello everyone, this is Jeff Lee, the card lover. Today I'll show you and teach you a card trick called Do As I Do. Let's see how it looks like. So you have a deck of cards. They're all different. And have the spectator to take the half of the deck from the top. And then what you have to do, make the spectator do as you do. So what you have to do is to make your hands behind your back, but in this video I don't have any spectator and it's pretty uncomfortable for me to behind my back, so I'll just do the same thing under the table. So have the spectator choose a random card from the center. And then, without looking, you and spectator exchange the card and place the card in the center with the card reversed. So spectator will do the same thing. Place a card in the back, just like so. And then when you're done, you can get the cards out. So, as a matter of fact, there are no same cards in this 52 deck of cards. But there are similar cards. For instance, Ace of Clubs and Ace of Spades have the same color and it's the same ace. Or the Eight of Spades and the Eight of Clubs, it has the same color and it's the same number. So, like that. We've actually chosen a card each from each deck. And we've changed the card. We've exchanged the card and we put it in reversed. That we cannot do any, little tricky something. If these two cards are the mate's card, that would be very amazing. The Seven of Hearts. Then the mate will be the Seven of Diamonds. And that's completely this spectator's card. So, yep, that was a trick. And thank you for watching. So this is a quick tutorial about the trick. First of all, before the trick, place these two cards at the bottom of the deck. Okay? It doesn't matter if it's red sevens, you can do black queens, red kings, or red aces, whatever you want. It doesn't matter. And place these deck of cards, place on top. And now you're all set. What you have to do, I'm going to show everything what I'm doing under the table. Of course, in real time, you're going to do with your hands back. So, this much is the performer's part, and this part is the spectator's part. Take the half of it. Okay, you assume that you choose a random card, but as a matter of fact, you choose the bottom of the card, which is the red 7. And then, spectator will also choose the card from the center. It doesn't matter what this card is. Now, after you exchange, you ask the spectator to put this card reversed into the card. What you have to do in the back, you don't put this inside deck. You exchange this card into this card, and then you put this card into the center. And then, when you look at it, you can see the red 7s are showing each other. So, this was a quick tutorial about the trick. If you want to know more about this trick, please click the upper left corner here. Then you'll learn the key principle and my useful tips and details about the trick. Also, if you want to learn some other card tricks, click the upper right corner. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.